Delta.
Storm warning for Central Thunderstorm County and North Central Alabama, Northwestern Morgan County and North Central Alabama. At 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Portland, Oregon, 9 miles northwest of Malton. Miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Athens, Moulton, Riceville, Trinity, Town Creek, Cortland, North Cortland, Hillsborough, and Copain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Lawrence, Limestone, and Morgan.
Any station we can check in.